I won't replace you. Confusion will. Everyone is asking the wrong question about AI. They keep asking, will AI replace my job? But that's not the real problem. The real problem is this. Are you too confused to adapt? Let me be very clear. AI is not taking jobs because it's smarter than humans. AI is taking jobs because many people are confused, overwhelmed, and frozen. The problem isn't AI. The problem is not knowing how to use it. This has happened before. When spreadsheets appeared, accountants didn't disappear. Only the ones who refused to learn them did. When the internet arrived, travel agents didn't vanish. Only the ones who stayed stuck in the old way. Every new tool creates the same split. Those who learn it move forward. Those who avoid it fall behind. AI is just a tool. A powerful one, yes, but still a tool. In the hands of someone who understands it, it becomes a superpower. In the hands of someone who avoids it, it feels like a threat. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Your boss won't replace you with AI. They'll replace you with someone who knows how to use AI. Someone who isn't scared of new buttons. Someone who isn't confused by prompts. Someone who sees AI and thinks, this makes my job easier. Job security today isn't about being perfect. It's about being clear. Clear enough to learn. Clear enough to try. Clear enough to ask better questions. Think of AI like an intern. It can write. It can research. It can explain. It can help you think. But only if you actually talk to it. The biggest mistake you can make right now is trying AI once, getting bad results, and deciding it's not for you. That's how people fall behind. Not because they're incapable, but because they quit too early. So how do you beat confusion? First, ignore the fear. Most AI panic exists to get clicks. Second, pick one tool. Just one. Use it every day for small things. Third, make it useful for your own life. Emails, notes, ideas, planning. And fourth, expect bad results at the start. That's not failure. That's learning. Your prompts will be bad. Your answers will be messy. That's normal. AI isn't replacing you, but someone who is less confused than you might. The future doesn't belong to people who know everything. It belongs to people who ask better questions. Don't be confused. Be curious. Go try it.